This problem tells us that PQ, line PQ, intersects RT, line RT, at point S, and the measure of TSQ is 88 degrees. So let's just find these things. PQ is right here. That's one line. Our other line is RT, so follow the points RT, and they meet at point S. So here they label, here's the point, here's S. The measure of TSQ is 88 degrees. So here's T, S, and Q. They form this angle of 88 degrees. What is the measure in degrees of angle X? Well, angle X is a vertical angle to 88 degrees, so it equals the same thing. So angle X equals 88 degrees. They're vertical angles. And vertical angles are angles formed by two straight lines, which is exactly what we have right here. And vertical angles are always, well, in this case, are always two dimensions, right? Flat dimensions are always equal. And I'm not going to talk about other cases yet. But what should I say? Well, I should say that the reason this is that TSQ plus this red angle right here, let's call it Y. So 88 degrees plus Y has to equal the straight line, and that's 180 degrees. And that's this line right here. Well, XY right here are also, XY are also on a straight line. So they also have to equal 180 degrees. So X plus Y has to equal 180 degrees. Well, look at this right here. Y plus 88 is 180, and Y plus X is 180. So that means that if I'm taking the same thing, because Y is itself, and I'm adding it to 88 to get 180, and then I say in another case, well, Y plus X is the same thing, it's also 180, well then X and 88 have to equal each other. And that's one of the reasons, or one of the ways to look at the fact that X does equal 88. They're vertical angles. It has to do with these straight lines right here. Alright, hope that helped.